Today we're making some curry chicken. So you're going to need some small bell peppers, about 10 altogether, red and orange, and one chopped up whole onion, 1.5 teaspoons of curry powder with a 1/2 cup of water. Let's go ahead and give it a good mix. So now we're going to start putting in our bell peppers and onions. So now that we have them all put in there, we're going to go ahead and put the lid on and put it in the mixer, or on the mixer. And there we go, we mixed it up. Now let's pour it on top of our chicken. And I'm using legs and thighs. And I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. And here go the finished results. Yummy and delicious curry chicken.